ready to become your client's go-to source for dream home alerts. Let's dive into creating and saving property searches in Kvcore, so you can keep your clients engaged with automated listing updates. First, log into your Kvcore account and click on the Marketing tab on the left-hand side. From the Marketing drop-down, select Save Searches. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of any existing searches you've already created. Click on the Add Search button to create a new one. Now, define your search criteria. Enter the desired location, city, neighborhood, or even a specific zip code. Set the price range to match your client's budget. You can enter both a minimum and a maximum price. Next, select the property type: single-family home, condo, land, or any other relevant option. Scroll down to refine your search further. Specify the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and even add keywords like fireplace or pool to target specific features. Now, assign this search to a specific client. Start typing their name in the leads field and select them from the drop-down. Decide if you want to send an immediate email alert with matching properties. If checked, your client will receive an email right away. Once you're happy with your search criteria, click the Save button at the bottom. Congratulations! Your saved search is now active, and your client will automatically receive email alerts whenever new listings matching their criteria hit the market, making it easy to follow new listings. Stay tuned for more Kvcore tips and tricks to help you succeed in real estate.